Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make Itsekiri swallow, aka egwobobo. Okay, it's made with ripe plantain and starch, and it tastes so good and it tastes so yummy. Keep watching, guys. This is my ripe plantain that I will be using. I have two ripe plantain. I've already washed the plantain. I make sure I wash the skin of the plantain. Then I'll peel the skin off. After peeling the skin off, I'll cut it into a little size, okay? Then after cutting it, I'll transfer it inside a clean pot. Then I'll add water. Then I'll cook till the plantain is ready. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and follow my page, and don't forget to subscribe if you are watching from YouTube. I appreciate every one of you. Now I went ahead and add water, then I put it on the fire and I like to cook till it is ready. Then after the ripe plantain is cooked, then I'll blend it to make sure it's very smooth. Make sure you blend it till it's very smooth. Now in a clean bowl, I'm going to add in my starch. I'm using 3 cups of starch. You can use as many starch as you want, depends on how many people that is going to eat the swallow. Okay, now I just added water, then I'll mix and make sure you don't put too much water, because you don't want the consistency to be too light. Okay, we just want it to be in between, not too light, not too thick. Now I'm just going to pour into the pot. Before I pour it inside the pot, I use a palm oil to rub my pot. Then I added the starch. Now I'm adding in the blended ripe plantain. Okay, then I'll mix it together. Then I'll transfer it to the fire to start cooking. Okay, if you see that the consistency is too thick, you can add, at this point you can add more water to make it a little bit lighter. Please don't make it too light, okay, because at the end, if you make it too light, the outcome is not going to be good. Now all you just have to do, you just have to keep stirring. Okay, make sure there's no lumps on it. Okay, you just have to stir against your pot, as you can see me doing right here. This needs a lot of work, elbow grease. Okay, all you need, just keep stirring. Make sure you stir this against your pot as I'm doing right here till the till it is ready. As you can see, the color is going to be changing. The more it's getting ready, the more you see the color changes. You just keep doing it. You don't want no lumps on it. Okay, as you can see, it's coming together. See the color have already changed. Now the egwobobo, the data call it egwobobo. Okay, egwobobo, that's what they call it in data. Itsekiri call it egwobobo. Okay, this thing is very good, guys. If you haven't tried it, try this art ripe plantain and the starch. Is very good and it tastes so good. It tastes so sweet. The kids love it. Now it is ready. You just have to transfer it to any wrap. Okay, I have a plastic wrap. Then I'm just going to cut the amount that I need. Then I'll wrap it together. You can eat this swallow with any soup of your choice. You can eat it with banga soup. You can eat it with black soup. You can eat it with pepper soup. Okay, today I'll be using pepper soup to eat this. It tastes so good. It tastes so yummy. If you haven't tried egwobobo, please go and try it. It's very easy to make. It's very simple to make also. Yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna eat this with pepper soup. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share also, because sharing is caring. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. See you soon. One love. Keep us together. Bye everyone. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.